Hey everybody, it's me Frankie at Frankie's DIY Life. Told you in another video that I was getting ready to retire, and so I did. I retired on Friday. Today is Wednesday, and so I'm adding a little section to the back part of my name. It's Frankie's DIY Life after retirement, so that's going to be a journey. So I want you to stick with me, stay with me, and see what happens in retirement life. Also, I want to tell you that, if you might have seen my little dog walking through the house in a couple of videos here and there everywhere. Well, when I retired on Friday, when I come home, she wasn't doing well. And so I was awake with that dog nonstop. I don't know why it is she didn't sleep. She stayed awake for 3 days, and she normally sleeps all day. So anyway, she was like out of it. And so Friday evening when I got home, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday around 2 o'clock, I was up with that dog nonstop. Well, she didn't make it. She passed. So that's some of the stuff I've been dealing with, trying to get past that a little bit. And, I had thought about changing my picture on my YouTube video, because at the side of it, it's got her there with me, and that's a little hard to look at. But anyway, I think I might keep it. I don't know. We'll see. If I do change it, then you'll know that's why. But anyway, I thought I'd jump over here and tell you right quick that also I'm having a little technical difficulty here. I'm not that savvy. Trust me, I'm not that savvy. I just do repetitive stuff on things that I know. But I got a new camera. It's a Google Pixel 9, and that's way above my head. And I got a new HP computer, which it's an all-in-one. And anyway, long story short, I'm having trouble learning it. So, but anyway, I just want to jump on here and tell you that I haven't left YouTube. I just haven't, for those reasons and stuff, I haven't been on here. So, but now that I am retired, I do plan on doing several videos a week. And so, since I'm retired, I'll have that time on my hands. So, stick with me, hang with me. If you're new to my channel, this is Frankie's DIY Life after retirement, and we'll see what happens from there. So, I'll see you next time as soon as possible, as soon as I can get this stuff figured out. See you later.